If I showed you these videos, you'd probably think they took hours to edit. Character replacements, cinematic transformations, and AI-generated scenes like these normally require a lot of time and experience. But every clip you're seeing right now was created with AI. No complicated editing, no frame-by-frame masking, just a few clicks. So today, I want to see if AI has actually reached the point where it can replace hours of editing, or if it's just another overhyped trend. Let's find Tent has never been easier. Editing it is still the hardest part. Whether you're making YouTube videos, short films, or viral social media content, you always end up spending more time editing than actually creating. Need to replace a character? Hours of work. Need to create cinematic effects? More editing. Need to transform an ordinary video into something unique? Even more editing. That's where most creators lose their time. So instead of jumping between different editing software, I started looking for something that could actually simplify the entire workflow. While searching for a better solution, I came across Magic Hour AI. The link is down in the description if you want to check it out later. They recently launched a couple of new AI features, and instead of reading a list of features, I thought it'd be more interesting to actually test them. So let's jump in. This is the Magic Hour AI homepage. Everything is organized really nicely, and finding the tool you want only takes a second. The first feature I wanted to test is character replace. So let's open it. The workflow is actually much simpler than I expected. First, I'll upload a normal video. Nothing has been edited yet. This is just the original clip. Now, instead of manually replacing every frame, I simply choose the character I want. Everything looks ready. Let's click generate. While it's processing, this is normally where you'd spend hours inside editing software, tracking movement, masking every frame, cleaning edges, making sure everything stays consistent. Instead, the AI is doing all of that automatically. Alright, it's finished. Here's the original clip, and here's the transformed version. Honestly, that looks much better than I expected. The movement still feels natural. The camera motion stays exactly the same, but the entire character has been replaced. Let's try one more. This time, I'm choosing something completely different. Okay, this one looks even crazier. I could easily see creators using this for storytelling, short films, funny content, or viral social media videos, and the fact that it only takes a couple of minutes is probably the most impressive part. Back on the homepage, I'm opening the AI video generator. The workflow here is just as simple. First, I'll upload a video that I want to transform. Now comes the fun part. Instead of opening an editing timeline, adding effects, or spending hours adjusting everything manually, all I have to do is describe what I want. So I'm going to paste my prompt here. In this prompt, I'm telling the AI exactly how I want the final video to look. The style, the atmosphere, the camera movement, and the overall transformation I'm going for. Once everything looks good, I'll hit generate and let the AI handle the rest. While it's rendering, imagine how much manual work this would normally take. Planning every shot, animating every movement, tweaking every little detail. Here, the AI is building the entire transformation from a single prompt. Alright, it's finished. Let's see the result. Honestly, this came out really well. It followed the prompt surprisingly accurately. The transformation feels smooth, the motion looks natural, and the overall result has a much more cinematic feel. What's really impressive is how quickly an idea can turn into an actual video. Instead of spending hours experimenting, you can simply describe your vision and let the AI bring it to life. After trying both tools, I can definitely see why they're getting attention. Character replace is easily the standout feature for me. The results are eye-catching, creative, and perfect for grabbing attention online. The AI video generator solves a different problem. Instead of making editing easier, it helps you create completely new videos from a simple idea and a prompt. Together, they make the creative process much faster, without sacrificing quality. If you want to try these tools yourself, I've left the link in the description below. Experiment with them. See what you can create, and let me know which feature you liked the most. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like. Subscribe for more AI content.
I'll see you in another video. Till then, keep racing.